In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Zoom tools from disappearing. If your Zoom toolbar keeps fading away right when you need it, don't worry, that behavior is usually controlled by a simple toggle. I'll walk you through how to access it and make sure your controls stay visible while you work. First, open the Zoom app on your computer, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're on the home screen of the app, not just a browser page. Having the desktop app open is important because that's where the toolbar behavior is managed during meetings. Next, start a meeting. You can start a new meeting by clicking the new meeting option so you can see the controls right away. Opening an actual meeting is helpful because the toolbar only appears inside a live session, not on the home screen. Once the meeting window opens, look for the bar with options like mute, start video, share screen, and more. If that bar disappears after a few seconds, that's the auto-hide behavior you're noticing. Now, here's the key step. Click on Hide Floating Tools. You'll usually find this in the More menu, often shown as 3 dots on the right side of the toolbar. The wording can appear as Hide Floating Meeting Controls or